So the lease is signed. The client, she's good to go. She's just waiting to arrive so she can have this wonderful life right here in Nairobi, Kenya. So on to the next. What's that?
Yeah, I'm really happy with the way this transaction went. It was really smooth. She liked it from the time we walked in the door. We signed the lease the same day, sent the deposits over the same day. We locked it down.
Short
So
thing.
we started working immediately. This was easy. This is an easy one for me. Thank God apartments are easy. This only required for one appliance to be brought. But she made it easy. She's not picky. She was like, I like this royal blue sofa. That's all she just give me the royal blue sofa. So her apartment, I circled or I modeled around the couch. Royal blue, gold accents.
That's hot. That's hot. That's hot.
Yes, yes. So queendom.
Okay. Queendom.
Queendom. That's the model here. I was trying to create her queendom.
I love it. All right.
So this client that's coming is a single woman, a retiree, so a Muslim. She wanted to be in the middle of the city so that she could have access to just walk around to different things. So what I love about the apartment that I found for her is she can walk one end to one grocery store, walk another end to another grocery store. Right in front of her, she has halal meat markets, a Muslim clothing shop, pharmacies. There's a pharmacy here. There's a restaurant here. And then on top of it, the levels of security in this building. You need a key fob just to go up the elevator. And then when you get into the apartment, no one can come without you seeing who it is right there at the door on your security cam. So I feel really good and confident that this is an excellent place for her. The security, the location, the amenities, she wanted to be high, be on a patio so she can come out and have her coffee every morning. And what I'm discovering is she has mad animal life out here. The birds, these falcons look huge. They look like Jurassic Park birds. Good thing she don't have any little pets, because these birds are huge, which I love. I hope she loves it, which I love. So I'm very excited about this apartment for her. I really am. I think she's going to love it. The price point, Kenya, I'm telling you, is where it's at. So usually, or before, we would pay a whole lot of money to have the house dressed with curtains. But in Kenya, I can get manufactured curtains at different places, save a whole lot of money, a whole lot of time and frustration. Unfortunately, I don't have to hire a seamstress anymore, but we can get beautiful curtains right at the stores. So I think I'm gonna get the custom curtains for this particular client. These windows are really big, but the apartment is smaller, so we need more of a royal look. Her color scheme is like a royal gold and blue, and I really want her to have that pop. My other client has a family, and it's a house. So those windows aren't as big, and these will fit perfectly there. So that's one of the things we have to figure out. But we're going to do the custom look for her. I want her to really be excited when she walks into her house. I want the curtains to be draped from the top all the way down to the ground. And right now we kind of got high water, so we're not going to do that. We're going to switch this up a little bit. So hang tight. You'll see the finished products.
Let me tell you something. You messed up on that one. What were you thinking? The curtains is like they were high waters. It's flooding.
You know, because I've been doing this for a while. I'd be thinking I could just look at the size and I know, okay, that's this and that. And the size is right. But where the person installed the curtain rods, that changes everything. So I'm like, this is a 250 by 250. We go get it, come back. Yeah, but they done raised the thing up 3 extra inches.
It's like Michael Jackson, Billie Jean video.
The curtains are high waters. Thankfully, we were able to get it fixed immediately. Not that we had to get it fixed. I had other curtains and other sizes. I had what we needed for that. But even with that, curtains is a cultural challenge.
You know what? I never thought about it until that point.
It's a cultural challenge. Yeah. Think about it. In the States, we do curtains from the top of the window to the bottom of the window. Right. So, but when we came to Africa, they're doing the whole dramatic effect, curtains from the top of the ceiling all the way down to the floor. So we're like figuring it out, like, okay, most people that were relocating here is from the States. Where do we do it? Where do we draw the line? So where the first set of curtains went, to us, it was high waters, but we've been on the continent for a couple years. But someone from the States, that was proper.
No, I don't know. I'm doing high waters.
Those was a little flooded. So we did fix it. But that is a challenge. Even if you have a short window in the bedroom, typically in Africa, it still have the big, long, dramatic curtains. For us, we would normally end it right underneath of the window.
True.
I think waste of material, we know material costs. So we were like, stop it right there. We're used to blinds. Were you brought up with curtains?
I don't even remember, but yeah.
We had blinds, Venetian blinds.
Like
yeah, just blinds, a little cheap. Go to Walmart, $10.
Yeah, but grandma have curtains.
The grandma house would have curtains. She would have drapes, baby, not curtains. She would have some drapes.
Sure.
But here, everything is so grand and dramatic. You listen.
Well, that's okay. We fixed it.
We figured it out.
So
hopefully, we make that mistake once. We won't repeat it. So it's fixed now.
Good job.
So this is the inspiration for her apartment. She wanted a royal blue couch. So I wanted to get carpet that is going to help me enhance that. So it's not so dark. And we're gonna have gold curtains. And a lot of her accessories is gold. So what I like about this place though, the guy, he works out these great deals with me. He deals with Persian rugs. He gets everything imported from Dubai and Abu Dhabi. It's an Arab guy, one of my favorite areas. But the quality of his rugs is nice. And they're not cheap. They're not expensive. So I've gotten quite a few pieces from him. This is probably our 3rd or 4th rug from this particular client. If I could remember the name, I would tell you, but yeah, I like his styles. All right, so we're back. After yesterday's fiasco, not having the right size curtains, hopefully today is a different story. Because I still didn't measure. I am using my eye, all of that kind of stuff. But today, these curtains are 250 by 250. custom designed. They're beautiful. I'm not gonna let you see it as we're gonna show you the final project, but I'll let you know if I go stupid again. So this little doohickey, I'm hoping to get some throw pillows this color, this kind of turquoise bluish in here, and then kind of design the room around using this little focal point. This is my first time ever using these curtain tie backs, so let's see how that works. That's cute. Pretty. Let's put it towards the front. What do you think? Is it pretty, Dennis? Girly stuff. Girly stuff. All right. What? Y'all said, what do we cook with in Africa? Gold. What else? That's funny to me. So our initial walkthrough, there was a couple things that needed to be done. There were some light bulbs that needed to be switched. There were some switches that needed to be covered. We couldn't check to see if the gas was working because we had to wait for them to bring the actual propane. We couldn't wait to check the water pressure because we had to make sure they turned it on. So today we're going to just do a quick walkthrough for the things that we couldn't check when we did our original walkthrough. Lights are good. Gas works pretty good. Cooking. All right, people ask, how's the water pressure? Looks good to me. A lot of people ask, how's the hot water in Kenya? Now, coming from other areas, hot water could be tricky in Africa. But here, as you can see, we got a great big hot water heater for this one little apartment. That says a lot. Energy efficient toilets. Very good water flow. And again, let's check that water pressure. Looks good to me. So as you can see, everything is moving along perfectly. The walkthrough went very well. We already started with the curtains and getting a lot of the basic stuff in. And now the only thing left is to do the big stuff, the furniture and the final touches. So we won't show you that until the day of the reveal. And that means you have to come back and watch. All right, here's a quick relocation tip. Buying TVs abroad. It's not as easy as just buying a quick TV, a 55-inch TV, a Hisense TV. For those that are still wanting to be able to watch channels and stream from the US or any other country that you're from, you have to make sure that the TV is either an Android or a TV that can actually download a VPN. Just being a smart TV isn't going to cut it. So if you're able to purchase a TV once you come abroad, you want to make sure that it's an Android, download a VPN, and then you can log into all the channels that you're used to.